हेलो एवरीबॉडी, आई एम प्रतिभा पुंडलिक। मैं गवर्नमेंट ईवीपीजी कॉलेज कोरबा में कार्यरत हूँ। एमएससी 4th सेमेस्टर ऑपरेशन रिसर्च के क्यूइंग थ्योरी एंड वेटिंग लाइंस टॉपिक पर हम कुछ वीडियो लेक्चर्स के माध्यम से डिस्कस कर रहे हैं। लेक्चर नंबर 4 में जो पिछला लेक्चर था उसमें हमने देखा था मॉडल MM1 Infinity FIFO. That was the first model, जिसमें हम M stands for Poisson arrivals, the second M stands for Poisson departures, 1 stands for single server, infinity stands for the capacity of the system which is infinite, and FIFO ये notation represent करता है first in first out को। इस प्रकार के मॉडल को सॉल्व करने के लिए हमको 3 स्टेप्स में इसको सॉल्व करना होगा। फर्स्ट स्टेप है हमारा टू फाइंड द स्टेडी स्टेट इक्वेशन। सेकंड स्टेप is to find the solution for the steady state equation, and we will be discussing the third step today, which is as follows. In the third step of this solution of model MM1 FIFO, we see that in the third step we are deriving various probability density functions. Probability density functions को हम derive करेंगे, जो हमारी requirements होंगी उनको हम step by step derive करेंगे। सबसे पहले we will find out the probability, find the probability that is the Q size. Q size मतलब weighting size, if this is greater than or equal to capital N. Now probability of the Q size which is greater than or equal to N is summation N is equal to N to infinity Pn, which can be written as summation N is equal to 0 to infinity Pn minus summation N is equal to 0 to N minus 1 Pn. On expanding this, we have 1 because summation N is equal to 0 to infinity Pn is equal to 1, and on taking the summation sign we have 1 minus P0 plus P1 plus P2 plus and so on up to Pn minus 1. Or we can write 1 minus 1 plus rho square because P1 is equal to P0 rho. So we substitute P1 as P0 rho. Similarly, P2 is P0 rho square and so on. So we have this as 1 minus 1 plus rho square up to rho n minus 1, taking out the common quantity P0. On summing all this and solving, we have 1 minus 1 into ये quantity हो गई 1 minus rho raised to power n upon 1 minus rho into 1 minus rho, that is equal to rho raised to power n. So probability or Q size for greater than n, when there are greater than n arrivals, we have rho n is equal to lambda upon mu, because rho can be written as lambda upon mu. So rho raised to power n is now lambda upon mu raised to power n. So probability of the Q size is rho upon mu raised to power n. The second variable is to find ELS. Now what is ELS? ELS is the expected line length. Expected line length मतलब average number of customers in the system. पूरे system में कितने average number of customers हैं, arrivals हैं, वो यहाँ से हम लोग determine करेंगे. So we have ELS. E stands for expected. LS is, L is line and S is the system. So ELS will be summation N is equal to 0 to infinity N Pn, which can be written as summation N is equal to 0 to infinity N into 1 minus rho raised to power N. Or simplifying this, we have 1 minus rho into rho summation N is equal to 1 to infinity N into rho raised to N minus 1. Or rho 1 minus rho into 1 plus 2 rho plus 3 rho square and so on. ये इसका summation का expansion है. So that gives rho into 1 minus rho into 1 minus rho raised to power minus 2, or expected line length, that is number of customers in the system, will be rho upon 1 minus rho, and when we substitute rho is equal to lambda upon mu, we get lambda upon mu minus lambda. So ELS is equal to lambda upon mu minus lambda. The third variable is to find ELQ. ELQ means the expected queue length, that is average number of customers in the queue or average length of the waiting line. Waiting line means service में already एक customer खड़ा हुआ है और जो पीछे line है, that is known as the waiting line or the queue line. So expected queue length means average number of customers in the queue. Line में कितने लोग खड़े हैं या average length of the waiting line. So we have ELQ is equal to summation n is equal to 1 to infinity n minus 1 Pn. n minus 1 Pn क्यों लिया हमने? Because there is one person in service. एक already service counter पर है, इसलिए यहाँ पर हमने n minus 1 Pn लिया. Now इसको जब हम expand करते हैं, so you have summation n is equal to 1 to infinity nPn minus summation n is equal to 1 to infinity Pn. Or this is ELS, this quantity is the ELS, and this quantity can be written as summation n is equal to 0 to infinity Pn minus P0, or ELS minus summation n is equal to 0 to infinity Pn is equal to 1, so minus 1, and this minus, that gives you plus P0. ELS minus 1 plus P0, or rho upon 1 minus rho, जो कि ELS का मान निकला था, rho upon 1 minus rho minus 1 plus P0 को हम लिखते हैं 1 minus rho, और expected queue length ELQ is rho square upon 1 minus rho. On substituting rho is equal to lambda upon mu, you have ELQ is equal to lambda square upon mu into mu minus lambda. The fourth variable which we are finding the probability density function से, to find ELL. L oblique L stands for expected length of the non-empty queue. यहाँ पर हमने greater than 0 लिया है. So to find ELL, that is expected length of the non-empty queue. There are some persons standing in the queue, इसलिए हम इसको non-empty queue लेते हैं. That is average length of the non-empty queue. Now ELL greater than 0 will be ELQ upon probability that an arrival has to wait. किसी को wait करना पड़ रहा है, उसकी probability, and this is expected queue length. So ELQ upon P n minus 1 greater than 0. Why n minus 1? Because one arrival has to wait. That is ELQ upon P n greater than 1, or ELQ upon summation n is equal to 2 to infinity. 2 क्यों लिया हमने? क्योंकि एक कस्टमर ऑलरेडी सर्विस में है और वेटिंग में है एक, इसलिए ELQ upon n is equal to 2 to infinity Pn, that is ELQ upon P2 plus P3. जब हम इसको expand करेंगे तो P2 plus P3 plus P4 and so on, which gives ELQ upon rho square plus rho cube plus rho raised to power 4 and so on, or common P0. Or from the above derivation we had ELQ, and that is rho square upon 1 minus rho upon rho square upon 1 minus rho into 1 minus rho. इसको पूरा जब हम simplify करते हैं, we get 1 upon 1 minus rho. Substituting for rho, lambda upon mu, we get ELL as mu upon mu minus lambda. These are very important derivations and we will be soon applying them to problems. The next is to find probability density function of waiting time. probability density function of waiting time excluding service distribution. सर्विस डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन को छोड़कर जो वेटिंग लाइन है उसमें कितना समय लग सकता है. लेट देयर बी n यूनिट्स इन द सिस्टम एट एनी टाइम, n-1 waiting and 1 in service. These are the number of units in the system. हम पूरे system की बात कर रहे हैं. So there are n units in the system at any time, n-1 in the waiting and 1 in the service. एक व्यक्ति already counter पर है और n-1 line में है. So if one unit arrives at this time, then it has to wait for time between omega and omega plus d omega. We are taking this variable omega and omega plus d omega, and only when n-1 waiting units are served in time omega and 1 unit in service is served in time d omega. So if 1 unit arrives at this time, इस समय पर जब already n-1 waiting में है और 1 person service में है, यदि कोई और एक arrival होता है तो it has to wait for time between omega and omega plus d omega. What is omega? Omega is the time when n-1 waiting units are served, and d omega is the time when 1 unit is served in d omega. Since servicing distribution is also Poisson distribution, हमने पढ़ा था पहले, इसलिए probability that n-1 units waiting are served in time omega is mu omega raised to power n-1 into e minus mu omega upon n-1 factorial. यही formula हमने time t के लिए derive किया था जब हमने Poisson departure या Poisson distribution देखा था. And now here just we are replacing t by omega. We are taking time here as omega. So mu omega raised to power n-1 into e raised to minus mu omega upon n-1 factorial. And probability that 1 unit is served in time d omega will be mu d omega. So probability that n-1 units waiting are served is this, and probability that 1 unit is served is mu d omega. So probability that a new arrival is taken into service after a time lying between omega and omega plus d omega को हम represent करेंगे psi n omega d omega से. ये psi n omega d omega किस चीज को represent कर रहा है कि probability that a new arrival is taken into service after a time lying between omega and omega plus d omega. So that is equal to probability that n-1 units waiting are served in time omega and probably multiplied by probability that 1 unit is served in time d omega. So that gives mu omega n-1 into e minus mu omega upon n-1 factorial जो probability n-1 की थी, और into mu d omega जो probability 1 unit की थी. Now let capital W be the waiting time of a unit who has to wait such that omega is less than or equal to capital W, which is again less than or equal to omega plus d omega. Since the queue length can vary between 1 and infinity, हमारे system में infinity arrivals हो सकते हैं, infinite arrivals हो सकते हैं, इसलिए since the queue length can vary between 1 and infinity, therefore the probability density function of the waiting line will be given by psi omega d omega is equal to n-1 infinity, summation n is equal to 1 to infinity, probability that there are n units in the system multiplied by psi n omega d omega. Since the queue length can vary between 1 and infinity, so the probability density function of the waiting time, this is the probability density function of the waiting time, and this function psi omega d omega is summation n is equal to 1 to infinity, probability that there are n units in the system multiplied by psi n omega d omega, or psi omega d omega is equal to summation n is equal to 1 to infinity Pn psi n omega d omega. Or we can write psi omega d omega is equal to summation n is equal to 1 to infinity 1 minus rho raised to power n. सबकी value substitute करें हम, mu omega raised to power n minus 1 into rho raised to minus mu omega upon n minus 1 factorial into mu d omega, or mu rho 1 minus rho into rho raised to power minus mu omega is equal to summation n is equal to infinity rho mu omega raised to power n minus 1 upon n minus 1 factorial d omega. Now this is, we are obtaining on simplification of the above expression. So we have mu rho 1 minus rho e raised to minus mu omega into e raised to rho mu omega d omega, or psi rho d omega is equal to mu rho 1 minus rho e raised to minus 1 minus rho mu omega d omega, which gives on substitution lambda into 1 minus lambda upon mu. हमने rho का मान रख दिया है lambda upon mu, so lambda 1 minus lambda upon mu into e raised to minus mu minus lambda omega d omega, and this is the expression psi omega d omega is equal to e rho mu minus lambda e raised to minus mu minus lambda omega d omega, where omega is greater than 0. Now here integration within limits 0 to infinity psi omega d omega is equal to rho, which is equal to lambda upon mu, is not equal to 1. Why? This is because the case for which omega is 0 is excluded. So probability that w is greater than 0 is 0 to infinity psi omega d omega is equal to rho, and probability that w is equal to 0, that is probability of no unit in the system, p0 is equal to 1 minus rho. Since the sum of all these probabilities for waiting time is 1, therefore the complete distribution of the waiting time can be given by, we will be giving it in two parts. Part 1, which is continuous for omega less than equal to capital W less than omega plus d omega, with probability density function psi omega, which is given by psi omega d omega is equal to mu rho 1 minus rho e raised to minus 1 minus rho mu omega d omega, or lambda 1 minus lambda upon mu into e raised to power minus mu minus lambda upon omega d omega. And the second part will be discrete for capital W is equal to 0 with probability capital W is equal to 0. The probability is 1 minus rho, which is equal to 1 minus rho upon 1 minus lambda upon mu. Also probability that W is greater than T0. Now what is T0? T0 is the probability, T0, the probability that an arrival has to wait for T0 units of time. T0 is the unit of time. So the probability that an arrival has to wait for T0 units of time is given by T0 to infinity lambda upon mu, mu minus lambda e raised to minus mu minus lambda omega d omega. And on integration, we have lambda upon mu is equal to e raised to minus mu minus lambda T0. Then we find the busy period distribution. Sometimes in a waiting line you have a busy period. बहुत व्यस्त समय रहता है, कभी-कभी क्यू जब बनता है या वेटिंग लाइन होती है, एक आइडल पीरियड होता है और एक बिजी पीरियड होता है. So here we will be finding the busy period distribution, that is psi omega omega greater than 0. That is the conditional density function for waiting time given that a person has to wait. किसी व्यक्ति को वेट करना पड़े तो उसके लिए कंडीशनल डेंसिटी फंक्शन किस तरह से हम निकालेंगे फॉर द बिजी पीरियड डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन. साई ओमेगा ओमेगा इज ग्रेटर देन 0, दैट इज प्रोबेबिलिटी डेंसिटी फंक्शन फॉर वेटिंग टाइम सच दैट अ पर्सन हैज टू वेट. दैट विल बी साई omega upon probability that capital W is greater than 0, or psi omega upon integration of 0 to omega psi omega d omega. इसको जब हम वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करते हैं, we get mu rho 1 minus rho into e raised to minus 1 minus rho mu omega upon rho, or psi omega omega greater than 0 is equal to mu 1 minus rho e raised to 1 minus rho mu omega, or psi omega omega greater than 0 is equal to mu minus lambda e raised to minus mu minus lambda omega, which gives the conditional probability density function for waiting time given that a person has to wait, or probability density function for a busy period. Next is to find EWQ. What is EWQ? That is the expected waiting time in the queue. कितनी देर इंतजार करना पड़ेगा excluding service time. Service time तो आप काउंटर पर पहुंच जाएंगे, but what will be the expected waiting time? We had calculated the expected length. Now here we are calculating the expected waiting time in the queue. That is the average waiting time of an arrival in the queue. We have EWQ is equal to 0 to infinity omega psi omega d omega, or integration of from 0 to infinity omega mu rho 1 minus rho e raised to minus 1 minus rho mu omega d omega, or mu rho 1 minus rho into integration from 0 to infinity omega e raised to 1 minus rho mu omega d omega. And when we integrate it by parts, taking omega as the first function, we obtain mu rho 1 minus rho omega e raised to minus 1 minus rho mu omega upon minus 1 minus rho mu minus e raised to minus 1 minus rho mu omega upon 1 minus rho square mu square, and upper limit is infinity and the lower limit is 0. So when we substitute all the values, we get mu rho 1 minus rho is minus limit omega tending to infinity omega upon mu 1 minus rho e raised to 1 minus rho mu omega plus 1 upon mu square 1 minus rho square. On simplifying this, we get mu rho 1 minus rho 0 plus 1 upon mu square 1 minus rho square. Limit omega tending to infinity में ये value हमारी 0 हो जाती है, and we have 1 upon rho square 1 minus rho square. इसको जब आप simplify करेंगे, you will get rho upon mu into 1 minus rho. Or expected time WQ in the waiting, that will be rho upon mu 1 minus rho, और रो का मान यदि हम lambda upon mu रखते हैं तो EWQ is equal to lambda upon mu minus lambda. We shall end this session now, and in the next session we will be continuing with some more derivatives. अभी और probability density functions हमको देखना है in order to solve the queuing model problems. So we will be ending this session, and thank you very much. Please refer to your textbooks, your reference books, और जितने भी derivations आज हम लोगों ने देखे हैं उसको अपने रेफरेंस बुक्स और टेक्स्ट बुक्स के माध्यम से, पेन एंड पेपर के माध्यम से you derive it on your own, so that when we meet in the next lecture we will be deriving some more derivations which are required in order to solve the queuing model problems. हम लोग 3 मॉडल्स देखेंगे और जिसमें फर्स्ट मॉडल का हमने शुरुआत किया है MM1 infinity FI FO. ये सारे डेरिवेशन उसी से रिलेटेड है, सो जब हम लोग प्रॉब्लम्स देखेंगे तो आपको ये डेरिवेशंस उस समय काम आएंगे. सो थैंक यू फॉर लिसनिंग टू मी.